I'm Kelly Vero. I am a creative badass, but that means I'm a disruptor. So I use my experience in game development and technology to try and change the way that we think about and use fashion. Basically, a way of scoring the game's development and then all of the creative that's at the front end of the game, like the story, the art, the design, etc. It's scored by people like you and me who are critics. We're the critics of the game. And what we do is we play through the game and then we give a score that's based on how we experienced, found the game, did we enjoy it? And what that does then is it sets a precedent of what any game studio or creator will produce next. So if you get a Metacritic score of 3 or 4.8, that's not going to be as successful as a game that scores sort of 7, 8, 9.9 on the Metacritic scale. It means that for us in the industry, we see Metacritic as being almost a sort of anchor point or the goal that we have to go for the best Metacritic score that we possibly can in order to be able to achieve what it is that we set out to do with our game development team, design, story, and maybe campaign.
I find it interesting how in the video games, everything is based out on consumer insights because it's all based on the Metacritic, which comes from consumers. So they target everything based on the consumer feedback, and I think it's really interesting to find out how other industries are working, and video games are so key right now.
Yeah, I think we're the only industry in the world that truly understands their player, their user, their consumer. People want to find out more, they can just reach out to me through the usual channels, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. I'm usually in those places if we want to continue the conversation.
Okay, well, thank you so much, Kelly, for connecting.
Thank you, Julie. It was so good. I always love talking to you.